So last week, I became the new XOBW International Champion. This title ain't shit. I won it from a person who don't even know how to wrestle. The only trouble he gave me was every time he stepped on the ground shook and I fell. I'm supposed to have pride in this? I'm an excellent wrestler. This is shit. I need a better title than that. So, last week I won the XOBW International title. This title ain't shit. I won it from someone that don't even know how to wrestle. The only trouble he gave me is when he stepped on the ground shook and I fell. I'm supposed to have pride in this title? I'm an excellent wrestler. I deserve something way better than this. I don't want that. Hey, go on. What do you want?
Don't talk. No. Alright, you probably heard that, I am now the owner of XOBW. You already knew I was half owner of XOBW. Yeah, no, you don't care. You don't give a shit about anything. But anyways, I know you got your match over here that I booked for you because I'm a nice guy. But anyways, this title, it means a lot to a lot of people. Maybe not you. I know you're.
Came from Roman numeral.
Yes, I know who.
Roman numeral.
All right.
How did he get in the first place?
He won fair and square. What do you want me to tell you?
Not from me.
Yeah, not from you. I know. But anyways, so look, there's no pride in this title for you. You're an excellent wrestler. Whatever. So I thought of something. This title isn't going to be the international title anymore, but you're still going to hold it, whether you like it or not. It's going to be the GPX title. Yeah, what's GPX, right? Glory, pride, and excellence. That should give you the three things that you want. Now, the stipulation for the title is going to be different than any other match. You can try to pin somebody 3 times. If they kick out of all 3 pins, or vice versa, if they do it to you, you can't pin anymore in the match. Then you have to make them submit or knock them out. Also, if you try a submission, you can only hold it for 15 seconds. Then you got to let it go, just to make it a little bit harder for you. And then, I know you like to use your weapons. No weapons allowed. Referee sees you, you get disqualified.
If he sees me.
Yeah. And if you get disqualified with this title, you lose it. Got it?
I'll put some meaning into this.
Ding.
It's peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time!
That's a quad stacker, man. So big G is quad stacker. It's got sandals. I got that. Nigger?
Yo, throw me a
Screw me on my match and I gotta throw fries.
The hell?
Them fries is the shit.
I guess this is guns.
Yo, the big G's gonna win the title, man.
The title. You don't mean he's wrestling? Oh, I think he's wrestling. It's Warlock! No, wait, he's not wrestling Warlock.
That's how crazy you are!
There it is! Damien Darkside!
Takes mortar around the place.
So I guess this is Guns versus Darkside for the XOBW Championship.
Ding, ding, ding.
What the shit?
I'm not sure why he's here. He's primarily a WCW superstar.
Yeah.
Primarily. Has he actually ever wrestled anywhere else?
He has wrestled here.
Ah, say DDT, it's over, quick! We gotta cover! What are you, stupid? Cover! Oh my god, you idiot. Well,
Could have just blown it for himself.
yeah, he's not gonna win the title now.
But as I was saying, Landy did wrestle here in the early days when we first started, but I haven't seen him around since then, so I'm not sure what the hell he's here for now.
Ow. That's not the same move. That's a death lock with a, I guess that's a toast stomp.
The tarp is ripping again.
Tarp was ripped.
Where have you been? Wrestling.
There's a tarp over there too.
My head, didn't you say?
Oh, big enziguri.
Come on.
Gonna cover. 1, 2. No, he kicks out.
3.
That is the number that comes after 2, Martel.
Teach this guy. I know how to count.
I figured out.
Fast or slow at different times. It doesn't matter. 14.
He's got him hooked up. What is this? And this is some sort of inverted dragon sleeper with a kind of an ab stretch. Swings him around. Oh, and a neck breaker.
That was an illegal strike.
Yep,
That was a neck breaker.
that was a neck breaker. What do you
That was a
think?
close fist.
No, it wasn't.
That was a neck breaker.
Closed fists are only illegal.
Do you got a brain or what? That was close.
And he made me spill my fries.
You were throwing them at him. Is it the Hasa Pain?
Please don't tap. There you go.
I know it's the Hasa Pain when Charlie Haas does it, but when Damien Darkside does it, what is it? The Hasa Darkside?
No, it's the dark side.
Yeah, the dark side.
It's the side of pain. It's Vader
Is that like a side of fries?
Hey, we're good, too.
Looks like he got no legs.
Grab him from the clutch. Grab him from the clutch.
Ow.
That must have hurt.
A surfboard clutch maneuver.
Search for Dragon Sleeper.
And who does this belt go to?
The winner of this match.
Yeah.
Peanut butter.
Big gun.
He's setting up a chair. DDT. Takes it RVD style on top of his cranium. That'll mess up your neck. He's going for the Acai DDT again. Nope. Oh!
Kick the rim.
Yes. He used the chair. Hey, that's a seating device that could be used by the spectators. That's a chair that I guess, no. Ow. What's he gonna do? Power bomb! Crap. He kicked him in the ass.
You
Martel is dead.
Use the sling.
Cover. Guns kicks out. Amazing.
You guys not to look out.
Oh, knee in the teeth. The hell was that?
You alright, man? Look.
Martel getting up in the foreground.
You might want to wipe your
I
butt.
take it that chop block didn't work too well.
I'll say DDT again. 2. He did the same move twice.
Where's City just going?
4, 5, 6, 7,
Could we see a double count out?
8,
Yo.
9.
In the event of a double count out, the champion does retain his title. Martel on the phone talking about it. Oh, brainbuster.
Wait, hold on.
On his knees.
Both down
On his
again.
knees.
That's not up. Now you got to cover. Could he have taken the title? No, he could not.
Big Gun's better win. If he doesn't, hey, I want my money back if he doesn't win.
You didn't pay to get in.
Yes, I did. No, I sneaked in actually.
You didn't have to. There's no cover charge.
I know.
There's a 2-drink minimum. Have a beer.
No. I'll drink.
Into the trash.
Oh shit.
Damn. Damn to damn damn. Martell trying to sell his share of WZW to anyone who will buy.
CJ Scott. Come on! I walk away for 2 seconds and the big G ain't winning.
And a corkscrew.
And almost crushed it.
One.
And the crowd, 1, 2. The crowd trying to get behind the big G. Who's facing heel? I don't know.
Kick him in his butt again.
Who's the good guy and who's the bad guy?
Here we go.
You can't have Guns be heel. Guns is the smallest person in the world.
I think
That's like trying to get Spike Dudley over as a heel.
Joel Lozada's being crazy right now.
Martell does more to heel stuff for him.
Joel Lozada. What, you guys think I don't know
And
him?
there's Landy the Marvel
I bet you guys don't know Big Gun's name.
going backstage.
None of you know Big Gun's name.
Joel Lozada.
You're crazy.
You crazy motherfucker. Guns has a chair. And a kick in the gut. Chair goes awry. The Omen! Go for cover. Looks like it covered me. That was not 3 6s.
That was 2 9/10.
Yeah, you're right.
Is he gonna give it to him? The gonorrhea?
No, come on.
Oh, he flips out of it.
That's illegal.
Back!
You can't spread gonorrhea to a kid.
That's wrong. It's over.
I can't believe it's over.
I can't believe it's not butter.
I can't believe I'm gonna whoop Big Gun's butt now.
Come on, CJ. Let's get you some jelly. Give me my dog cat.
Is he gonna back suplex him?
Give me the dog cat.
Russian leg sweep.
Let's get you to the hospital.
The stroke.
You gotta get your checked for STDs. Holy.